Is there a recipe for happiness? Health is happiness, they say. Feeling at ease in your own body, being fit and full of energy. That is quality of life. But how do I stay healthy? And where do I start? A healthy lifestyle is the basis for enjoying life to the fullest, no matter in which stage of life. Good that there's a competent partner. LR LifeTact. Your life, your tact, your well-being. LR LifeTact is your companion for more quality of life, day after day. Because LR LifeTact combines first-class products in individual solutions that are adapted to your personal needs in all phases of life. Inspired by nature, combined with findings from science and research, LR developed the aloe vera drinking gels, for instance. Pure, certified aloe vera leaf fillet in the highest concentration is enriched with functional ingredients. The result? Unique LR products with maximum efficacy. The consistent high quality is regularly confirmed by the SGS Fresenius Institute. In addition to dietary supplements, LR LifeTact also offers holistic advice. The LR LifeTact solutions are scientifically sound combinations consisting of 3 components. A high-quality basic solution for monthly basic supply, individual product supplements tailored to your personal needs, and expert tips on nutrition, lifestyle, and physical activity.
These
3 components stand for modern health management. A well-thought-out overall package which can improve general body function.
Der allgemeinen Körperfunktion beitragen.
Take your fortune into your own hands and enjoy life in all its facets. With LR LifeTact. Your life, your tact, your well-being.